Okay, so in this problem, it says that a balloon is on a 40-foot string. So here's your string, and it makes a 50-degree angle with the ground, which is right here. How high is the balloon above the ground, which would be this value right here, if the person holding it is 6 feet above. So we're going to solve for from the hand to where the balloon is, and then we're going to add that 6 feet. The way I teach trig is a little memorization technique called SOHCAHTOA. So, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. TOA is opposite over adjacent. And so SOHCAHTOA just helps my students remember those little tricks. So in this case, I'm going to see what I'm solving for. So I always label this triangle based on the angle that I have. So the opposite side is where the x is. The hypotenuse, that is the side opposite that right angle, and the adjacent side is that one that's left over. So then I look and see which ones I have. I have the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So I'm going to go to the trig function that deals with opposite and hypotenuse, and I'm going to use that one. Which means the sine of my 50-degree angle should equal my opposite side, x, over my hypotenuse side, which is 40. So to solve for x, I'm going to multiply both sides by 40. And you can put that in your calculator. 40 times the sine of 50 degrees. And you're going to solve for that. So when you do that, you get approximately 30.6 feet if we round to the nearest tenth. But remember, if it wants it to the ground, then I still have to add that 6 feet. So I'm going to take the 30.6 and add the 6 to get 36.6 feet.